1,504 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 27th May 2021. According to media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 88.3. In total, 1,34,164 people recovered. 1,557 people recovered in last 24 hours. 5,952 new samples tested today. In total, 8,07,550 samples are tested. In total, 1,52,401 positive cases were reported in Goa till now. 39 new deaths reported today. In total, 2,538 deaths are reported till 27th May 2021. Active cases in the state now stands at 15,699. 39 COVID-19 related deaths were reported in Goa today, out of which 23 deaths were reported from GMC, 8 deaths at HGDH, 1 brought death at Hospicio, 1 brought death at PSC Kwepem, 1 death at private hospital in North Goa, 5 deaths at private hospital in South Goa. 4 patients had received first dose of the vaccine. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.